I am waiting at the bus station now. I am waiting at the bus station now. The benches are still a little wet. The benches are still a little wet. I hope the bus arrives on time today. I hope the bus arrives on time today. Many people are waiting here with me. Many people are waiting here with me. The road looks wet from the rain. The road looks wet from the rain. I am sitting on this wooden bench. I am sitting on this wooden bench. Oh, my phone is finally ringing now. Oh, my phone is finally ringing now. Hello, dear. I was just thinking of you. Hello, dear. I was just thinking of you.
Hi, how is everything at the station?
Hi, tight.
Hi, how is everything at the station?
It's fine, but the bus is late. It's fine, but the bus is late.
Oh no, how long have you waited? Oh, how long have you waited?
I have been waiting for 20 minutes. I have been waiting for 20 minutes. What are you doing at home right now? What are you doing at home right now?
I am cleaning the kitchen at the moment. I am cleaning the kitchen at the moment. Did you eat breakfast before leaving home? Did you eat breakfast before leaving home?
Yes, I ate some bread and eggs. Yes, I ate some bread and eggs.
Good. You shouldn't travel on an empty stomach. Good. You shouldn't travel on an empty stomach. Did you remember to bring your umbrella? Did you remember to bring your umbrella?
Yes, it's right here in my bag. Yes, it's right here in my bag.
Great, if it rains again, please use it. Great, if it rains again, please use it.
Don't worry, I definitely will use it. Don't worry, I definitely will use it.
How are you feeling about the trip? How are you feeling about the trip?
I am feeling quite excited, to be honest. I am feeling quite excited, to be honest. Anyway, how is the weather at home? Anyway, how is the weather at home?
It rained here too, but it stopped now. It rained here too, but it stopped now.
The bus still hasn't arrived, unfortunately. The bus still hasn't arrived, unfortunately.
That's frustrating. Do you know the reason? That's frustrating. Do you know the reason?
Not exactly. Maybe there's heavy traffic somewhere. Not exactly. Maybe there's heavy traffic somewhere.
If there's traffic, it might take longer. If there's traffic, it might take longer. If you get bored, call me again anytime. If you get bored, call me again anytime.
I will. Don't worry about that, dear. I will. Don't worry about that, dear.
What are the other passengers doing right now? What are the other passengers doing right now?
Some are sitting, others are standing near the gate. Some are sitting, others are standing near the gate.
If the bus doesn't come soon, ask someone. If the bus doesn't come soon, ask someone.
Good idea. I will ask at the counter. Good. I will ask at the counter. Wait, I think I hear an announcement now. Wait, I think I hear an announcement now.
What does it say? Can you hear clearly? What does it say? Can you hear clearly?
It says our bus is arriving shortly. It says our bus is arriving shortly.
Oh, finally! Ah, I'm so relieved to hear that. I'm so relieved to hear that. What time will you reach home tonight? What time will you reach home tonight?
I should arrive around 8 in the evening. I should arrive around 8 in the evening.
Perfect. I will have dinner ready by then. Perfect. I will have dinner ready by then.
What would you like me to cook tonight? What would you like me to cook tonight?
Anything you make is always delicious, honestly. Anything you make is always delicious. Honestly.
Anyway, is there anything else you need? Anyway, is there anything else you need?
No, I think I have everything, thanks. No, I think I have everything, thanks. Oh, wait! I think the bus is here. Oh, wait! I think the bus is here. I'm walking toward the bus door now. I'm walking toward the bus door now. I am finding my seat right now. I am finding my seat right now.
Did you get a window seat this time? Did you get a window seat this time? Did you get a window seat this time?
Yes, I love sitting near the window. Yes, I love sitting near the window. The bus driver is starting the engine now. The bus driver is starting the engine now.
Safe travels. Please take care of yourself. Safe travels. Please take care of yourself.
I will call you as soon as I arrive. I will call you as soon as I arrive.
Perfect. I'll be waiting for your call. Perfect. I'll be waiting for your call.